5 top websites where you can get online gigs. Recent changes in the economy and working patterns have made online jobs very common. Many people want to work from their home or their laptop and create their own schedule. According to research, it is estimated that in 2023, 50% of Americans will work independently as gig economy workers. Right now, 45% of millennials use gig job platforms to work with clients all over the world. A typical gig website allows users to create a profile with their list of skills, experience, and rates. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will look at top websites where you can get online gigs. Make sure to watch till the end to know how much money people are making in these websites and why many people prefer these websites over typical 9-to-5 jobs. But before we move on, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you hear about our future videos. So let's start. The first online gig website we have for you is called peopleperhour.com. People Per Hour was founded in 2007. The website was created to start a dynamic workplace where people can lead an independent lifestyle with success. And they definitely achieved it. It's a perfect website for businesses, especially startups and entrepreneurs that want to grow their team by hiring freelancers to handle their projects. On this website, a range of professionals are standing by to assist these businesses. These include web designers, transcription, writing, video editors, photography editors, audio editing, and much more. This website offers 24/7 service in 89 countries where people can empower themselves by creating an independent revenue stream. Today, 1.1 million jobs are being posted on People Per Hour, which is generating $100 million for freelancers. So basically, freelancers set up their profiles by indicating their qualifications, experience, and skills they will offer to the client. Clients or buyers browse through these profiles and hire someone they think is capable of handling their projects. Clients may purchase an offer pre-packaged by a freelancer when looking to complete a small project or assess the services of the provider. They may also opt to set up a project detailing all the requirements for freelancers to bid on. People Per Hour has been a success for both freelancers and buyers. You will hear dozens of success stories on the platform. Number 2, Guru.com. Guru.com was founded in 1998. Their main focus was to place talented professionals in different categories. Like many other gig websites, buyers can create a profile for free on Guru. Then they can browse through freelancers' profiles and gigs, or clients will already get recommendations based on the skill they want. One of the best things about this platform is that it offers a virtual workroom where freelancers can collaborate and add other team members to a job. They can use a time tracker, communicate with each other, share files, and choose payment terms and get paid. We chose it as the best for experienced gig workers because it targets other professionals rather than entry-level freelancers and offers paid memberships to help users rank higher in their search results. Today, 800,000 freelancers work on Guru.com with a 99% customer satisfaction rate. Guru has paid over $250 million to the freelancers up to this date. And the site's colossal database has freelancer verification, ensuring that you are hiring a legitimate person. The process of payment is reliable and trustworthy for both freelancers and employers. Feedback ratings on the freelancer's profile always help clients to see their performance. Guru.com is free to join as a freelancer or an employer, but the site takes a fee from both sides on every paid invoice. The site's paid memberships are also worthwhile. If you're a freelancer, you can receive more bids, pay lower fees, boost your ranking, and send highlighted quotes. And paid employer accounts mean that you get lower fees, unlimited job posting, and access to top freelancers. Number 3 on the list is Freelancer.com, which is the world's most significant freelancing marketplace and was founded in 2009. Today, it connects more than 60 million employees and freelancers from at least 247 countries. Unlike other freelancing sites, it organizes projects by category related to skills. Freelancers start by creating a profile. They showcase the talent and experience they need and then set up the fees. Freelancers browse through jobs using a number of customizable filters and place bids on projects. Freelancers can communicate with clients right through the platform, as well as track time, submit invoices, and get paid through freelancers' milestone payments. Every freelancer will receive full payment after completing a job. However, the platform takes 10% of your total earnings for contests and fixed projects. Like most freelance sites, you can choose to use PayPal or wire transfer for withdrawal. Freelancer is better for inexperienced freelancers looking to get simple, lower-paying jobs for building a portfolio or for short-term, low-priced hourly work. Freelancer.com is still a highly viable option and charges lower fees than most freelance platforms while offering the largest selection of freelancers and employers. Number 4 on our list is Upwork.com. Elance, founded in 1990, and Odesk, which was founded in 2003, merged and formed the largest freelance marketplace, which is known as Upwork. It is trusted by millions of businesses, including Airbnb, GoDaddy, and Microsoft. In several places, it is seen as the best because of the variety of work listed, which serves both entry-level and experienced freelancers equally. Upwork helps freelancers to find jobs and long-term contracts in a variety of industries, including web design, development, accounting, marketing, writing, customer service, and more. Freelancers begin by creating a free profile where they can post details about themselves and their experience, case studies, build a portfolio, set up their rates and skills, and even post a personal video. Upwork's AI-powered search then filters through tens of thousands of opportunities to match the freelancer to potential projects. Freelancers can review a client's ratings, history, and project details before submitting a bid. Clients and freelancers can also ask and answer questions and negotiate rates and details right through Upwork. It's an excellent platform for both domestic and international jobs. The payment method is quite simple. Jobs pay via project milestones at a fixed price that are agreed upon, or you can choose to accept jobs that pay on an hourly basis. Upwork takes a service fee from all earnings, but the amount varies depending on your total billings. Every aspect of a contract is managed through Upwork's website, including time tracking, invoicing, file sharing, and messaging. Freelancers can also choose how to get paid, from direct deposit and PayPal to wire transfer and more. And finally, number 5 on our list is Fiverr.com. Fiverr was founded in 2010. Their main focus was to find a way for people to offer digital services typically offered by freelancers, but at a very low rate. At first, each gig would sell for just $5, but now it allows for bigger jobs and a variety of prices. Today, Fiverr has over 100 service categories and tens of thousands of users from 160 countries all over the world. The best thing about Fiverr is that it broadly categorizes its services like graphics and design, digital marketing, and writing and translation. Still, freelancers can offer services as specific as they want. Examples include Facebook page banners, podcast intros, book covers, menu design, comic book illustrations, and much more. Sellers or freelancers can create a free profile with their listed expertise and then create the services that they want to offer, known as gigs. Sellers can add up to 3 different packages to the gig page to give buyers more choices and upsell their gig with extras before, during, or after the order. Finally, sellers can send custom offers to potential buyers to offer more flexibility. So on Fiverr, freelancers can choose exactly what they want to sell. We hope you enjoyed our video on the top 5 websites where you can get online gigs. Let us know what you guys think about these websites in the comment section below. Have you ever worked on any of these websites, and what was your experience? We always love to read your comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we publish a new video, and we'll see you in the next one.